So today we've got another mod watch review video for you, and this is a brand new Seiko mod that we've been working on for the last couple of days. This is the Seiko Santos on the Seiko NH35 movement, and take a look at this, guys. What an absolute stunner, absolutely gorgeous, just really lovely piece to look at. And one of the reasons why it's so lovely is actually because of the square dial, which is very different to the usual watches that you see on the market, and also the mod watches that we do on our website as well. A lot of them are circle faced. This one is a square face dial. Really gives that retro vibe, along with the Roman numerals, as you can see. And then we have that black and white theme, which gives it that really nice old money aesthetic, dare I say it. But yeah, it looks very nice and catches the light really nicely in whatever angle you hold it in. And one of the favorite features for me on this watch is the hands. So as you can look closely to the hands, if I can show you on the camera, depending on how you shine it in the light, it changes color. So it can be like a very dark colored hand, like you can see now, but when you shine it in the light, you can see that pop of blue that just gives it a really nice contrast and feature. Yeah, I absolutely love that. Very nice. And then on the side we've used a blue colored jewel for the crown, which obviously pays homage to this whole watch and goes with that really nice blue, white, black aesthetic. Looks really nice. It's a very nice feature. And yeah, like I said, this mod watch has come out really nice. It's been executed very well. Really happy with this one, and it is now available on the website. The link to this is going to be in the description below if you do want to purchase this. We've only made one of these so far, so yeah, if you get your hands on this, you are the person who's going to get it, and then it goes out of stock. So if you do want this, definitely go check out the link in the description below. So this one comes in on a 38mm case. I do just want to warn you though that because it is a square dial, it wears a lot more, well, bigger than it actually suggests. So 38mm is a nice size. It's a smaller size than what we usually do on the other mod watches, which is like 41mm, but this wears a little bit bigger because of the square dial. So just keep that in mind. It wears more like as though you're wearing a 40mm watch rather than a 38mm watch. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But it's a very nice size. So I'm just going to take this off this little pillow here. And I just want to show you the back as well. So we've used the Seiko branded NH35, working hard there to keep the time, as you can see in the back. So it's got an exhibition back, you can see exactly what's going on. And then we've got an integrated bracelet on this one, which again pays homage to the the style of watch that this is. And it's got a nice little feature on here with the bolts and the screws and stuff. It's got a nice clasp here, very satisfying click. So if we click that in, there we go, as you can see, and sits really nice on the wrist. I'm not going to give you a wrist shot, of course, because this is going to be going out to a customer, so all our watches are unused and brand new, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, this looks really nice when you do wear it on the wrist, and gives that old money aesthetic. A very smart watch. And if you do want to purchase, like I said, link is in the description below. If we are out of stock on our website, absolutely no problem, we can make it again for you. If you're willing to pay up front, we can get the parts in for you and start building it for you and send it out to you as soon as it's built. So you can check out more details on our pre-order page for that. Just get in touch with us on our WhatsApp if it is out of stock. Now, we offer 12 months warranty with all our watches, and we offer free shipping in the UK, and we also do global shipping as well. So wherever you are in the world, just get in touch with us, let us know, and well, our website automatically just calculates the shipping fee for you when you add it to your cart, so you can check that out as well. But yeah, like I said, guys, this is going to go very quick. It is an absolutely stunning watch, so go check it out in the link in the description below.